Hello, everyone. I experienced something so unique this morning that it had me scratching my head and looking for a solution. I learned something so unique that I had to share my experience. I opened a video that I had been edited prior, and I noticed there's no effects. There's no Lumetri colors at all. I tried everything I could to see the changes on the preview panel, and they were just not there. And I didn't know how to fix it. I've been using Adobe products professionally since 2007. I started on InDesign and Photoshop, and I've since graduated to Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Audition. I use it to produce websites, publish videos, and just be creative. So I'm somewhat familiar with the software. To make this as brief as I possibly can, the reason I could not see my effects is because they were disabled. You see, there's a disable button that I had enabled for a moment, and it was hidden, but it was active, and there was no way to turn it off. If you go into here, you can't turn things on and off. They have to be out here. Said okay, and then voila, there it is. Now I can see the changes as I'm making them. I know this seems like an easy thing to figure out, but after searching for answers for a while and not finding a solution, I thought perhaps some fellow editor out there will find this obscure issue solved.